Dear civil engineers, in this boring lockdown, an exciting news for you. A free workshop is waiting for you. Before starting the main topic, I am requesting you to subscribe this channel so that I get motivation and able to provide you a lot of new and essential information. So without wasting time, let's start. Friend, e-construction, a renewed design and construction company, has arranged a 3-day free workshop for all civil engineering students, professionals also. Now I am coming in the details of the workshop. The date of the workshop. The date of the workshop 12th, 13th and 14th July. Time 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Where this is a online workshop. Who can attend? Diploma in civil engineering, BTech or BE in civil engineering, MTech, ME in structure or CTM, or pursuing or pass out students, both are eligible. Working professionals with intermediate level experience and expert levels professionals can attend this workshop. Schedule for the event. On 12th July, the topic of this workshop, structural design and engineering. The time 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. On 13th July, how do project management with BIM technology with case study G plus 40 story building. And the last day, 14th July, the topic of this workshop, ecosystem of a civil engineer and mock test on technical questions. You can see that here the topics, the points which will be discussed in this workshop. Now speaker of this workshop, Sandeep Pingal sir, founder and MD of eConstruct Design and Building Private Limited. Now registration fee. This is a free workshop, so no entry fee is required. Now we can see that this is a sample certificate that will provide to you after completing the workshop. So I hope you will register yourself to know the unknown. So please share and like this video, subscribe my channel. You can see that this is the pro forma of registration. Just fill it up. After fill up it, your registration is considered as complete. The link of this website and link of registration form has been given in description box. You will get certificate after completing the workshop. So stay at home, stay safe and stay updated. Jai Hind.